In this video we have more example about the bearings. A is 20 km due west of B. So first of all you should understand again the compass. We know that the compass is, this is north, this is east, this is west, this is south. Now as in given in the question, A is 20 km due west of B. Let's suppose this is the B point somewhere here. This is the B and A is west of it. So this is west according to this point, because if this is standing on this point, so this is east, this is west. So according to this is west, which is A. And the bearing of C from A 44 degree. It means this is the starting point. This is the north, and given how many angles? 44 from A to C. C, it means somewhere here. So the bearing from A 44, this is 45, this is 44. So join these 2 points. Now C somewhere here on the point. Okay. So and bearing of C from B, it means now B is the starting point. We draw the north line here. This is north, and this is 0, 4, 4 degree. Now B is from B, C, how many? 314. So we know that the complete angle is 180. This is straight line is 180 and 180, 360 around this point. So the bearing is 314. How many units left from 360, or add in 180 plus what number we add, we can get the letter here. Or this is 270, in 270 what number we add, what degree we add, we can get 314. So if we look observe here, so this is 314, 270, so 270 plus 34, so we can get this line, which is 314, 44, so becomes 314. So it means we try to find out after this 270. So 44, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 44. Okay, this is 90, 10, 20, 30, 40, and this is 44 somewhere here. So join these 2 points. So this is C. So C somewhere here. This is C. Now, so this is 314 degree. Now after that, in the first part itself, find the angle of triangle ABC. We have triangle ABC. We need to find all the angles. We know this is right angle, so it means 90 minus 44, we have 46. So this is 46 here. Now as we observe for this particular point, this is how much the angle, this is 44, because this is 270. So this line is 270, and how many degrees more than 270, which is 44 is more than that, so it is 44 degree. So we know that total angles in a triangle add up to 180. So 180 minus these two angles, you find this missing angle. So this is A. Angle A is 46. Angle B equal 44. And angle C equal 180 minus 46 minus 44. You will find 90. So it means this is 90 degree. Now this is the first part. In the second part he said the distance BC, we need to find distance BC, this distance, we need to find this length. So according to this is 90 degrees, it means become right angle triangle, and this side is called the hypotenuse. So these are two short side. We are given two angles, either we can use according to this or according to this. So it's up to you whatever the angle you use, but I'm going to use this one. So opposite over hypotenuse is sine. So opposite hypotenuse is sine. So this is opposite side according to this angle, and this is the hypotenuse. So sine 46 equal, the opposite is BC divided by, we are given the length A to B. This is 20 kilometer given in the question, 20 kilometer. So 20. Now this is division, transfer, multiplication. So BC equal 20 times sine 46, which is equal 20 times sine 46, 14.4 degree. Because after that this is more than 5, we can increase the number, so it is 14.4 kilometer. This is the length BC. Okay, in the next question we have P is 16 kilometer due north of Q. So let's suppose this is the Q point. If we consider this is the Q, so P is north of, so this is the north line, even though for the Q this is north. Let's put P somewhere here on the north of 16 kilometers. So this is 16 kilometer. The bearing of R from P, so this is P, from P starting point is P, R is 152. So this is the starting point 152. This is 152 somewhere here, because this is 150, this is 152. So join these 2 points. Let's suppose these are the points. Okay, now R somewhere here. Let's after that we will see that. Okay, the bearing of R from Q, it means from Q, this is the north, from Q this is 152 degree. So from here also the bearing, which is 62 degree, 60 and 62 somewhere here. So join these 2 points. So it means C somewhere here. This is sorry, R, this is point R. Now in the first part he said find RQ. We need to find this length, we need to find this length. This is the required length. We are given only one length and we are given this angle, but we can find this angle because the complete angles on a straight line is 180. So this angle can be equal 180 plus 180 minus this angle, which is equal 28. So this angle is 28. So as we know that 180 minus 152 we can find, because on a straight line angle 180. So 52. According to this is opposite side. Okay, this is 152. Okay, if we draw the line here, if we consider this is the north line, because this is a straight line here, so these are the parallel lines, this is the transversal line, so alternate angles are equal. So this is how much? 28. So this is also 28. This is also 28. Now We know that the complete from the north, complete angles from here. Okay, so how much it is? 360 around a circle. We have 28, so we can find this complete angle. But if you observe this length is what? This is 28, the bearing. Okay, so it is 28. We can find this is 28. The bearing of P from first we find this length, P from R. P from R. So this is R point 28. So the second part, which is equal P from a 360 minus 28, which is equal 332 degree. Okay. Now in the first part we have this length is 180. This is oh sorry, we have this angle here 62. This is how much? 62 given, 62 degree. So this length is 62. So 62 plus these two angles minus from 180, you find this angle. So 180 minus 180 minus 62 minus 28 give you 180 minus 62 minus 28, so which is equal 90. It means this angle is 90. So this angle equal 90 degree. So this is 90. This length is 90. Now the point is this is 90, so it means this is hypotenuse, so rest of the two short sides. So this is 90 degree, which is angle R. And now for A, opposite and adjacent, hypotenuse and opposite, it means we can apply the sine rule also. So sine 28 equal, opposite is QR divided by, or RQ is the same thing, divided by the hypotenuse, which is 16. This is division becomes a multiplication. So QR equals 16 times sine 28, which is equal 16 times sine sine 28, which give us 7.51, 7.51, three figures, 7.51 kilometer. Okay, in this question, x is 25 kilometer due west of y. So it means x is on the west of y. If this is y, so this is the west point. Again, if we look at here, the points, this is the point from here, this is the north, this is east, this is west, and this is south. So from this point, this is called the west. And if this is the point, he said x is 25 kilometer due west of y. It means this is the point. So according to this point, this side is called the west. So the west somewhere here. Let's suppose we draw the line. Draw the straight line till the west, towards the west. So this is the point, which is x, which is 25 kilometer. Okay, now the bearing of z from x, so it means this is the starting point. From x is 52, from x. So first draw the north line. So angle is 52. This is 50, this is 52. So draw the line. And Okay, z somewhere here, x, y, z, so it means y have angle 90 degrees, so it means this is the 90 degrees. Draw the line on it and extend this line. It touch on the perpendicular line at this point. This is called the z point. Okay, now this is right angle as given in the information. He said find the distance. This is given how much? 0.52 degree. So find the distance of z from x and from y. We need to find these two distance. So we know that this is right angle again, so 90 degree minus 90 minus 90 minus 52, which is equal 38. So it means this angle is 38 degree. So we given this side, and according to this is called the opposite, and because it's right angle triangle, so this side is called the hypotenuse. So whatever you first find, so in the first point if we say the opposite and adjacent, we use the tan. So tan 38 equal, opposite is y z divided by the adjacent, which is 25. So this is division, transfer becomes multiplication, so y z equal 25 times 10 38, which is equal 10 25 10 38, 19.5 kilometers. So it means this is 19.5 kilometer. Okay, in the second part he said find the distance from x to z also. So again, according this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse, so we use cosine. So cosine equal cosine 38 equal the adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 25 and hypotenuse is xz. So just interchange these two values, we can get xz equal 25 divided by cosine 38, which is equal 25 divided by cosine 38 equal 31.7 degree. Sorry, this is the length, 31.7 kilometer, 3 significant figures. Thank you.